Right, with my girlfriend's car, I suspect there's a coolant leak. So what I'm doing a pressure test on the engine. Engine's stone cold. Going to leave that for 20 minutes. If we got a coolant leak, which I presume might be the head gasket going, there was a little bit of oil in the coolants. So I've put fresh coolant in there today. She's going to run home with it tonight. And that should be in 20 minutes, that should be still on the green. If it's dropped to about 10 or lower, we've got a leak. So the kit, you've got all different makes: Ford, Audi, BMW, Bentley, Rolls-Royce. That's doing a coolant check, pressure test on the actual engine. So let's see if we can, by the way, on every car, let's just focus that, you've got a coolant bottle top. 1.4 bar is the maximum pressure that the coolant system can take. When it gets above 1.4 bar, there's an escape valve in there which will come around the sides and it will get rid of the pressure. Now that cap says 1.4 on the machine, 1.4. Let's have a look. You can see it's at 22, which is in the red. You wouldn't do a pressure test, you only do a pressure test up to the green, but the cap will take 1.4 bar. I think that's explained it. So we're going to run the test and see what it comes out like. 20 minutes at least.